Industrial meets rural in this tiny home built from a shipping container. Experience tiny home living without giving up any modern amenities. Full kitchen, washer, dryer, high-speed Wi-Fi, smart TV, and more. The bedroom has a queen-sized bed and someone can sleep on the couch. Bathroom has a walk-in shower. The living space has a couch, table for 3, and Roku TV. This 40 shipping container was transformed into a luxury tiny home with all the modern amenities you wouldn't live without. The home is located 15 minutes from downtown Ithaca, 17 minutes from Cornell, and 14 minutes from Ithaca College. Full kitchen with stove, oven, microwave, fridge, freezer, dishwasher, washing machine, and dryer. The full bathroom includes a custom tile shower. The bedroom has a comfortable queen bed and blackout shades. Fast Starlink Wi-Fi covers the home. Outside enjoy a private yard with fire pit fire, wood and starter included with your stay, hammock, BBQ, and eating area. Level 2 EV charger outside and ready for you to use.